You're eating less, moving more, but the scale won't budge. Here's why your fat loss has completely stalled. Millions of people are trapped in the same cycle. Working hard, seeing no results, and ready to give up. But the problem isn't your effort. It's these 5 critical mistakes that are sabotaging everything you do. Let's fix them right now. Mistake 1. Eating too little. Mistake number 1. Starving yourself into a plateau. You slashed your calories thinking more restriction equals faster results. Wrong. When you eat too little for too long, your metabolism adapts. Your body becomes efficient at surviving on less. Your energy crashes, your hormones get disrupted, and fat loss stops completely. The fix? Eat enough protein, maintain a moderate deficit, and give your body the fuel it needs to actually burn fat. Mistake 2. Doing too much cardio. Mistake number 2. Cardio overload with no strength training. You're spending hours on the treadmill while avoiding the weights. Here's the truth. Muscle is your metabolic engine. The more muscle you have, the more calories you burn at rest. Excessive cardio without resistance training can actually cause you to lose muscle, which slows your metabolism even further. Balance is key. Lift weights 3 to 4 times per week and use cardio as a tool, not your only weapon. Mistake 3. Not tracking properly. Mistake number 3. Guessing your portions instead of tracking them. You think you're in a calorie deficit, but you're actually eating at maintenance or above. That handful of nuts? 300 calories. That splash of olive oil? 120 calories. These hidden calories add up fast. You don't need to track forever, but if you're stuck, track your food accurately for 2 weeks. You'll be shocked at where the extra calories are hiding. Mistake 4. Neglecting sleep. Mistake number 4. Sacrificing sleep for early morning workouts. When you're sleep deprived, your body increases hunger hormones and decreases the ones that make you feel full. You crave sugar, you have less willpower, and your body holds onto fat more stubbornly. 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep isn't optional. It's when your body recovers, regulates hormones, and actually burns fat. Prioritize your sleep like you prioritize your workouts. Mistake 5. Lacking consistency. Mistake number 5. Being perfect during the week and chaotic on weekends. You eat well Monday through Friday, then blow it all on Saturday and Sunday. 2 days of overeating can erase 5 days of progress. Fat loss doesn't require perfection, but it demands consistency. Allow yourself flexibility, but stay mindful. Your body doesn't reset every Monday. These 5 mistakes are keeping you stuck. Fix them, and you'll finally break through that plateau. The scale will move, your clothes will fit better, and you'll have the energy you've been missing. Stop working harder and start working smarter. Your transformation starts now.